Hello students, today we are doing problems in median. If the median of 60 observations given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y. So here in the frequency, some frequencies are missing. That is, it is given as x and y. You have to find out the values of x and y. So already given that the total observations are 60. That is, if you add up all the frequency, it will be equal to 60 and the median is given as 28.5. So we know the median formula, that is median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So you have to find the values of all these from the table, substitute it here and find the values of X and Y. So first you have to make a cumulative frequency column here by adding up. So this will be equal to 5 plus X, 5 plus X plus 20 is 25 plus X. 25 plus x plus 15 is 40 plus x. 40 plus x plus y is 40 plus x plus y. 40 plus x plus y plus 5 is 45 plus x plus y. So already given the median of 60 observations, that is n is given as 60. Okay, when you add up what you will get here, if you add all this you will get 45 plus x plus y. That is 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So from this what you can write here, this is x plus y is equal to, bring this 45 to the other side. So it will be 60 minus 45, this is 15. So x plus y is 15, mark it as some equation 1. Now here if you observe what is the median, median is 28.5. So you have to find out where is 28.5 in the cumulative frequency. So if you observe this is 25 plus x, this is 40 plus x. So here is 28.5. So you have to identify this one as the median class. So in the median class we know this is taken as F, this is taken as L, small l, and this is F value and this is the cumulative frequency CF. Now substitute all the values and here what is H, the difference between the upper and the lower limits. This is H is equal to 10. Substitute all the values here. Already given the median is 28.5. So here you write 28.5 is equal to L plus, L is 20, 20 plus N by 2. How much is N? N is given as 60, which implies N by 2 is equal to 30. So write it as 30 minus CF. What is CF? CF is 5 plus X. So write this in bracket, don't get confused. 5 plus X by F. F is 20 here into H. H is, we got it as 10. Now simplify it. So this is 28.5 is equal to 20 plus, inside what you get, 30 minus 5, minus into plus is minus x by 20 into 10. So you bring this 20 to the left side. So 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 30 minus 5 is, we'll get it as 25 minus 6 by 20 into 10. So we can cancel this xx. So we'll get 8.5 is equal to 28.5 minus 20 is 8.5. This is 25 minus x by 2. So you cross multiply this 2. 8.5 into 2 is 17. 17 is equal to 25 minus x. Bring x to the left side. So you'll get 25. Bring the 17 to the right side, minus 17. So x is equal to 25 minus 17 is how much? 18, 19, 20, 8. We will get 8 here. X is equal to 8. Now substitute the value of x in equation 1. So you will get it as x plus y is equal to 15. So x is 8. 8 plus y is equal to 15. So from this you can write y is equal to 15 minus 8. So y is equal to 7. So we got the values of x and y. X and y are the missing frequencies. So in this way we have to find out. So your homework is, your assignment is in exercise 15.3. You have the third question. You have to find the median of the given data. That is your assignment. Do that assignment. So exercise 15.3, find the median of the data given in question number 3.